In the Rococo Review of Robotic Ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the hedge scalping expert on my ForexMart account for months. And zounds, it's scalped and hedged to plus 717.76% gains with the panache of a parodic pip protector. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that scales hedges without the havoc. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this hedge scalping expert dynamo of defense. The zip folder for the hedge scalping expert disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the hedge scalping expert to XAUUSD's M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse my MyFXBook, as one might a scandal sheet. And there the hedge scalping expert parades its plus 717.76% absolute gain escapade on ForexMart, ballooning $2,345 deposits into $19,178.86 balance with $16,833.86 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.68% chuckles, monthly 22.73% guffaws, equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines despite some volatility peaks. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners, way above the 60% benchmark for hedging bots that chase quick swings. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the hedge scalping experts' built-in automated scalping with hedging for consistent profit, high-frequency risk management with minimal human intervention, and adaptability across multiple timeframes and currency pairs that keep drawdowns tame. Get this. Net profit massive. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD without overtrading. Drawdown's only 46.70% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity recovers swiftly. Risk of ruin negligible? Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for MA5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 717% plus hauls without the heart attacks, this hedge scalping expert is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the hedge scalping expert on MT4 with ticks from recent data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $244.24. Gross profits $1,070.74, edging out losses of minus $826.50 for that clean edge. Trades total 7,813. Win rate strong overall at 66.34%. Average trade positive with max drawdown low at 1.30, 0.01%. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the hedge scalping expert has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting hedge scalping expert strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.